guys, Daewoo top load, ay front load. This is a front load, 15 kilograms plus 8, 15 kilograms for washing and 8 kilograms for dryer. So this is the problem. OE, let's check later guys. So many things to do. OE, I'll be back later guys. Give me time guys, I need to check others, but I'll be back. Thank you. Na guys, so the problem of OE error is means either drain pump, the drain pump or water valve supply. So water supply is okay, so we decide to replace the drain pump motor because sometimes the drain pump not functioning well. So I try a long program, it's working fine. Just observe guys. It's working fine. See, Daewoo